Hello friend, in this lecture we are going to study the RB insert fix up procedure. So here basically we are not going to study the algorithm. Here we are going to just understand how it works. So let's begin our lecture. Here we are going to study the RB insert fix up procedure. We are not going to study the algorithm. So here we will try to understand how it works. Here T is any tree that contain the address of the root node, and Z is a new node that is going to be inserted. So let's see how we do this. If we insert a node, let Z that you inserted is the root node. If it is a root node, then you just color it black. Let's suppose if you inserted the new node Z, that is not a root node, the root node is already there. So first you find out the next condition. First condition is this. In second condition, Z's parent is black. Then still there is no issue. And whatever you inserted, Z, so just insert that and Z become red. That's very simple. So here it is not violate any rule. Now third condition, if you look, if uh, Z's Z parent is red, then what you will do? So there may be the two conditions that you will do this. They will work on it here. First condition is, now if Z parent is red, then we will find out whether Z parent is like left child of a grandfather of Z, or the Z's parent lies right at the grandfather of Z. So still in this case, there may be three possibilities. So checking about the three cases, and here is also we're talking about the three cases. Let's discuss all these three cases. So in the first case, when Z parent is left child of grandparent of Z, now three possibilities there. Z uncle Y is red and Z is a left child. So what kind of situation? So what kind of situation is be there? Let's discuss it. This new node Z is inserted. This is Z. This may we call the parent of Z. This we call the parent of Z. So parent of parent is a grandparent. So this is the case, and because uncle is, this is the uncle here, you can see it, and this make Y. So there are three things. First case, make parent of Z and their uncle Y, make it black. Second condition, we will take grandparent, make parent of Z become red. That make become red. Third condition is, now third condition is, now parent of now the new Z will be parent of Z. So this is the condition. So if you perform this, what you will get, here I am going to draw. So it will convert it into this first. This it was the parent of Z, and it was the uncle, make it black. Then parent of parent, this was the parent of Z. It was the Z. Now it become red. And next, make the appoint the new Z, or make it the new Z. So in this way, we will do we perform the operations. So this is the first case when this is the first case this is the first case when the parent is red and their uncle is also red, and this is a three-step procedure. Now if you look it more further, similarly, if this was the case, similarly, if this is a case, what we'll do, it is a Z. Now it is a parent of Z. It is a parent of Z. In this case, this become Y. We do the simple thing. Similarly, you convert it. It is very simple. So it will our new Z. So it is the first case. What will be case number 2? If the first thing is the parent of Z is left, it means the Z's uncle, who is Z uncle Y, is black, and Z is the right child. If this is the case, then what is the situation? Situation will be like this. So it is a new case where it is a parent of Z. It is a parent of Z, and this is uncle Y. So here, what you will do? There are again the three steps. First, the step number 1, make Z is a parent of Z. First, second, do left rotation. Third, we'll do a new situation. Move to case number 3. So if you do the first one, then what you will get? If you do the first one, so in this case, this becomes Z. First condition is this. Now, if you do the left rotation, now take the second steps, do the left rotation. So in left rotation, what we'll do? Here we take the left rotation. So what you get? So what you get hit here, when we do the left rotation, this will reach here and this will go down. Similarly, if you do this, then condition will be like this. So what happened here? This, the child of Z is moved at this side, and the Z was there, that moved to that side. Now this is the case. So in this case, what happened? Still it violate the rule of RB3, because no consecutive, any parent doesn't have the red child. If parent is also red, then it can't contain the red child. So it means we move to case number 3. So what is case number 3? Let's discuss. Case number 3. Case number 3 is like this. If Z is the left child and his uncle, it was uncle Y, uncle Y is black. Then what you will do? So take these conditions, take similar condition, this one. Here it is a perfect one. Z is a left child and uncle is black. So another possibilities is that so here first make Z's parent black. Second condition, make parent of Z red. And third condition, do right at grandparent of Z. So this is the case. Now, if you take this case, it here, and apply the first rule. So if you apply the first rule, then it will become like this. Parent of parent is already black, and this parent will be black. Uncle was already black, but as Z is red. Here we, uh, if you follow this rule, so by this you make, by this you will make this red. Parent is red. Now here we will going to apply the third rule. So we will do the right rotation on Z. Oh, sorry, right rotation on parent of Z. So this is a parent of parent PZ. Okay. Here it is a parent of Z. Okay. And it is a Z. So if right rotation means this come here, and this will become the root. So if you do this, apply the third point right rotation, it will become like this. It is a Z, and this come below. So like this. So you can see here it is a balance. So what was there? So it was parent of Z is come here. Parent of parent is this one, and it was the Y. Y is now this one. So this is a case. So here we will discuss all the case where the parent of Z is at left of grandparent of Z. So here we discuss this, either Z is this one or Z is this one. Here uncle Y be red or black. Here it will do red. This will also red. We started with black. So in this way we will do the three cases. Now in next we will going to study, let's suppose it is a parent of Z, and parent of Z is at left side. Z is inserted here. Here it is red. It is also red. It is also red. It will be black. Their uncle Y may become red or black. So what is the cases you will form? First case, this is a red. It is a red. It is red, red. It is black. This is the first case. So in this, there are red, red. And now second possibility is this. Let's suppose it is a black, and suppose it is a black, and at the first possibilities that it is at right child, and it is the third possibility is that the Z is at left side. So such kind of things maybe happen. So let's discuss this case. We are now going to discuss the next case where Z parents is the right child of the grandparent of Z. So this is the case. Now this is a Z. It is a parent of Z, and this is the parent of Z. So in this case, if this is the case where the Y is red, parent of parent is red, and this is situation, then I perform the three things. What are the three objectives here? First, make uncle Y and parent of Z should be black. So do this black. Now next case, second case, parent of Z make it red, and third step, now Z become parent of Z. So this figure that you are seeing it here, it will become like this. Now parent of parent becomes Z, and uncle Y and parent of Z, this one is become black, and this Z is red. So this is the situation. Similarly, you can do for the if your Z is at the right side. Suppose we'll perform the same operation if this Z at the right side. So here the Z come here. Now in the next situation occur when this is the case for this there are still three cases. It was the case 1. Now move on to case 2 under it. So what will the case 2? Case 2 will be like this. So if we talk about this case 2, then it means that it is a black parent of parent of Z is black. Now uncle Y is black, but parent of Z is red, and here again this is a Z. If this is the situation, it is case 2, what we will do? We will do the 3 operation here. First, make the Z is parent of Z, then do the, in this case, do the right rotation on Z because Z is a parent of Z. Third, move to case number 3. So first case, you take the first operation, Z become parent of Z, so it will become the parent of Z here. Now this will become the parent of, so this is the parent of Z. You will take the right rotation, this will become parent of Z. So after that it will look like this. So take the, here we take the second. So after that it will become look like this. This is the, this one, this is, so if you go for this one, you if you go for this one, it, this is the same and this is the same, there is no changes here. But you move to this one, then the left, this one is come here, this one is come here, and this one become the child of this one, so it is a Z. Now the condition is different here. The condition is this, it is a new Z, their parent is red and their uncle is black. Now we, for this we move to the case number 3. So look how we will solve this question. In this we will perform the 3 operation. First, you will parent of Z, mark it black. Second, parent of Z, mark it red. Third, do the left operation on parent of Z. When you do this in this case, so what happens? Let we apply first and second operation. We apply the first and second operation. So here parent of this is red, so take it red. At present this is the parent of Z, mark it red. Uncle Y is already at black, parent of parent become this black, and this become Z. Then we do the left rotation on this parent of parent, and now here we do the, so it will become this place and this will be the child of this one. So what happened when you perform the third operation? Let's see. When you do this, then this one become the root. So here it is the root. Then parent of parent would become the child, and sorry, it will become red because the parent of parent is red. So it is a red, and this is uncle Y. Move it here, and the new Z is, this is a situation. So this is a final balance tree. That's it from my side. It is a basic concept of red black insert fix up. If you have any query, you can ask me any query. In the next video, we will take the example that come in the various competitive exam and the so many BTech level or graduate level courses. Thanks a lot for listening. Thank you.
Hope you like the lecture. If you like the lecture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell icon. This will boost our enthusiasm to do more and in a better way. Give your suggestion and ask your query so that we can improve ourselves. Thanks a lot. Take care.